All right, parents, let's talk about something we all struggle with at some point, getting our kiddos to love eating different foods. Don't worry, I've got some fun and practical tips that'll make mealtime a breeze. First up, make food fun. Turn it into a game or a story. For example, you can call broccoli little trees and tell your child they're a giant munching through a forest. Let them be the hero in their own food adventure. This simple trick can turn any meal into an exciting experience. Next, get creative with presentation. Kids eat with their eyes first, so make their plate colorful and visually appealing. Use cookie cutters to shape sandwiches, fruits, and veggies into fun designs. Make a smiley face with their food or create a rainbow salad. The more fun it looks, the more they'll be tempted to try it. Involve your kids in the kitchen. Little helpers are often more excited to eat what they've helped prepare. Give them age-appropriate tasks like washing veggies, stirring, or even choosing a recipe. When they feel involved, they're more likely to take pride in their creation and want to taste it. Introduce new foods gradually. Don't overwhelm them with a whole new plate of unknowns. Instead, add one new item alongside familiar favorites. This way, it's less intimidating and they're more likely to give it a try. And remember, it might take several attempts for them to develop a taste for something new. So keep trying. Praise their efforts, not just the outcome. Celebrate when they take a tiny bite of something new. Positive reinforcement goes a long way. Say things like, "I'm so proud of you for trying that." It builds their confidence and makes them more willing to keep experimenting. Another great tip is to lead by example. Kids are keen observers and often mimic what they see. If you're enjoying a variety of foods and showing enthusiasm, they're more likely to follow suit. So be adventurous with your own meals. Avoid using food as a reward or punishment. This can create negative associations with certain foods. Instead, focus on creating a positive mealtime environment. Make it a time for family bonding and enjoyable conversation. Finally, be patient and consistent. Changing eating habits doesn't happen overnight. Keep offering a variety of foods regularly, and don't give up if they refuse something at first. Persistence is key. So there you have it. Some tried and tested tips to make your child love eating different foods. Remember, the goal is to make mealtime fun, engaging, and pressure-free. Happy parenting and happy eating. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more parenting tips.